Hey guys, welcome back to day 7. I thought today was a lot easier than yesterday, to be honest. So effectively we get given a bunch of numbers on the left and then a bunch of numbers and then a list of numbers on the right. And we have to say, given this number on the left, using only plus and multiply operations between these things here, can we get these numbers to equal this number? And my immediate intuition here was just a brute force recursive function where, say for this first example, this second one here, we say 81, we try adding a plus here, and we try adding a multiply here. And then for each of those, we try adding a plus here and a multiply here. So let's look at the code. So here's the code here. So I just process the input, get the numbers on the left and the numbers on the right. And then effectively, I did a DFS starting from the beginning. And you can see here, I have this true and false. So true means, you can see in the function signature, it's called add. So this Boolean here determines whether or not we add or multiply. And you can see we just try adding it and we try multiplying the two numbers. And we effectively go through the list one by one. We keep adding to this index value and we're either adding or multiplying here. Yeah, and this is just a recursive function. So here we try the add and here we try the multiply. And then once we get to the very end of the array, so you can see here, once index has reached the ends, we just check, have we reached the total? And if we have, that means we found a possible solution and we can, add that to the total score. In part 2, they say there's a third operation now, this double OR sign. And what this does is if you find this one, you just 15 and 6 becomes 156 because you'd add the two strings together. So yeah, this is pretty much a string addition of the left and right value. And the code here was pretty much the same. So instead of having a Boolean, I just changed this to an operation. If the operation was 0, I added. If the operation was 1, I multiplied. And if the operation was 3, is I added the two strings together and then converted it to a long. By the way, there was overflow errors with this one, so you had to use longs instead of ints, which was pretty annoying, but whatever. So yeah, the code's pretty much the exact same, except this time instead of having two diverging DFSs, I have 3, where I try each of the operations, add, multiply, and the string addition. That's it. Thanks for watching.